Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna discuss tic-tac-toe, that is problem number 4, May long challenge code SIF. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. So before getting started, one more thing I would like to tell you that if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it. I am uploading this type of content like competitive programming contest content. Okay, so like whatever the contest is, I'm uploading the video of that. If you require, you can subscribe it, and whenever I upload it, you can get it. Now after watching, if you liked it, then please give it a thumbs up, and now let's start. Tic-tac-toe is a game played between two players on a 3x3 grid. In a turn, a player chooses an empty cell and places a symbol on the cell. The player take alternating turns, and when the player with the first turn uses a symbol X and the other player uses a symbol O, the game continues until there is a row or a column and diagonal containing three of the symbol X or three of the symbol X or 0, and the other player with that token is declared the winner. Otherwise, every cell of the grid contains a symbol and nobody won. The game ends and it considered a draw. So you are given a tic-tac-toe board after a certain number of moves consisting of symbol X or 0 and underscore. Underscore signifies an empty cell. Print 1, the position is reachable and game has drawn on, or one of the player won if the position is reachable, and the game will continue for at least one or more move. And print 3 if the possible position is not reachable. Okay, so the problem statement is simple about a game called tic-tac-toe. In Hindi we call it cross, that is cut, that is what we call cross and zeros, I guess. Yes, not in Hindi. I don't know what we call in that is in Hindi. I think cut kut, I guess. I'll leave that. I hope you know the rules of the game. I hope you all know, but let me explain you. There is a 3x3 rows, that is rows and column matrices type, and there are actually 9 cells, 3 in each rows. Okay, 3 is in each row. Now if any of the 3 rows or columns or diagonally has any player has, that is all it has zeros or all it has X, then the player with that zeros or the X will win. Otherwise the game continues. Okay, this is the game rules. And now the problem statement has asked you to simply print 1 if it is reachable and the game drawn, or one player wins. Like the game is the position is reachable means the game ends. And how does it ends? Does it ends with draw, or does it ends with player wins? Okay, player wins. Then you print 1. Okay, again it is reachable. If the position is reachable, that is if the game ends, then the game will continue at least for one or more move. Okay, so let me take you to the subtask over here. So you can see the first task, 3x3 matrix X 0 X X X 0 0 underscore. So here one cell is left. Okay, and game is none of the player has won. Okay, none of the player has won, and because I hope you know the condition I have told you earlier, condition for winning. And here only one cell is left and it is going to draw. Okay, so what will be the answer? Cell is what? The game will continue for at least one more move. Okay, so one or more than one cells are empty. Okay, one and more than one cells are empty and nobody has won or the game has drawn, then you will print 2. Like the answer here they have printed is 2. Okay, let me take the second test case. See, here the cells are empty, one or more than one cells are empty, but the game is not draw or not won. Okay, it is the else condition, means else case, other condition. So you will print what? 3. It's not reachable. See, the answer is 3. And if last one, if one or more than one cells are empty and nobody has won, okay, sorry, anybody has won or drawn, then you will print 1. But it has when you have to print 1, it has not mentioned over there that one or more cells must be empty for printing 1. It is said that if any one player wins or the game is draw, then you simply print 1. Okay, so it is simple. Now let me explain you how will you do that.